What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus have started rolling out Feb update for OnePlus smartphone. But sadly with the Feb update, flagship devices are not getting much of changes. But the older devices will receive some changes which OnePlus have already added on the flagship devices. So yesterday I received an update on OnePlus 15. So first of all, let me show you the software information. You can see the version is still 16.0.3. But the actual version got slightly upgraded. Previously it was 16.0.3.501 and now it's 503, which comes with 1st Feb's 2026 security patch. And if you take a look at the update size is around 259 MB, which doesn't include much of changes. But there are few things which got improved compared to the last build. And they also introduced a new bug. In this video, we'll talk everything about this latest update. Along with that, we'll also compare the benchmark scores. But before moving ahead, guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So if you take a look at the changelogs are only two. Under delight in details, one is the optimized touch control experience. And yes guys, after this latest update, in the entire UI, you don't see any kind of jitters while scrolling around. In past, I had also mentioned in one of my video regarding touch issues on OnePlus 12, and that issue I also used to face on my OnePlus 15. But since I have started using this device, which is OnePlus 15 after this latest update, there is no touch issues to be noticed. After that, they say they have improved the system stability, and later on, Feb security patch have been updated. But one thing which I noticed after updating this OnePlus 15 to the latest build, the brightness is slightly higher compared to the previous build. And it's a noticeable difference guys. I noticed while using the device outdoor. Previously the screen used to feel slightly dimmer, but now that's not the case on latest build for OnePlus 15. And many users were also complaining about that, but thankfully that has been fixed with this latest update. Now before talking about that bug, let's compare the benchmark scores with the previous build. On the previous build, single-core scores were 3,583 and multi-core scores were 10,703. On this latest build, we have these similar scores, wherein single-core scores are 3,573 and multi-core scores are 10,367. On this latest build, maximum CPU had throttled 72% and the average GIFs are 5,10,000. On the previous build, maximum CPU had throttled 67% and the average GIFs were only 4,17,000. So here we notice slight improvement. While talking about benchmark scores, on the previous build, the scores were 35,27,000. On the latest build, there is a significant improvement wherein scores are 37,11,000. With the wildlife extreme stress test, stability scores we got on this latest build is 57.2%. On the previous build, the stability scores were on higher side, which were 73.6%. But let's not consider the performance part on these benchmarks. I'll do an in-depth review of this device. Tomorrow we'll be releasing an in-depth review of OnePlus 12. After that, we'll do an in-depth review of OnePlus 15. And now let me talk about that particular bug. So in the AI suggest previously, I'll show you a screenshot. It used to show OxygenOS. But now after this latest update, they have again got back that ColorOS text. I don't know why. We also tweeted about that, and after that it has been fixed on most of the devices including OnePlus 12 with the update of OxygenOS 16.0.3, and it was also fixed on OnePlus 15. But now with the latest update, we have again got back that ColorOS text inside the AI suggest widget. And as I told you guys, it was fixed with the previous update. Before that, here if you take a look at this particular theme, here also we used to see ColorOS, but they have got back that ColorOS in the AI suggest widget. And guys, if you have OnePlus 15, let me know what thing you want me to consider in the in-depth review video. Accordingly, I'll start testing the device. So guys, there's nothing much to talk about this latest update for OnePlus 15. Mostly with the March update, we might get to see more features on flagship devices. So as of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.